Filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
Alright, so here it is. The Nespresso machine that I bought with the gift certificate. Thank you. This is the old one, which no longer works at all. The new, this is a quick demonstration of the new one. These are the coffee pods which you use. I'll show you how to use those. Water reservoir in the back. Just fill it up. Fill it up with water. That goes right back there. Clicks into place. And I use this item device right here for the milk. So, alright, we'll start with that. Put the milk in. We're filming, sweetie. Hang on.
What? We're filming. Oh, sorry.
I think we need to start over.
Okay.
Okay, Candy, get back here. Get back here. Okay, so starting the milk. Okay, now the coffee. Have the cup ready. Selecting two different espresso shots. There are 16 different ones, different intensities, and they say on the bottom what they are. So I'm going to go with these two strong shots. Drops right into the top there, and it shuts like that. I just hit two buttons, one on the left, one on the right. The left one is a small shot, one on the right is a large shot. You can adjust the water flow by holding the button. The water will start to dispense, and then when you release the button, that'll set it for that amount of water that came out. What I've done is this one is a regular shot, this one is slightly more than a regular shot, and if you want a long shot, you basically just hit the small shot twice. So, I have my capsule in there, I'm doing a regular shot. There it goes. And there's shot number one. Open the top. The pod drops down into the holding container. Insert one, number two.
Well, you know what else?
Hit it again.
I was gonna buy some tickets for. Yeah, we should buy some tickets.
There's shot number two. And the milk. And that's the coffee. It's hot. The pods get released down into this container right here. They're recyclable. The drip container underneath, you just rinse that out. And the only other thing to wash is this container right here, the drip tray below. Rinse that out. That's it. Okay. Stop. Press the button.
I did.